So this is iPhone 12 Pro Max unboxing video. So we recently bought this in South Korea. Here you can see its packing. From all angles. Here you can see assembled in China, designed by Apple in California. It's iPhone 12 Pro Max gold color, 128 GB memory. Okay, so it's a 5G phone. Let's open it. So the bad thing about Apple is, which I hate, like then do not provide a charger, so you need to buy a charger separately. I think it's not a good thing. So here you can see it's a golden color. From this area you can see the golden. I like the golden style, so I selected that color. But from the back side it's not completely golden. I prefer if the back side also golden color, but here only golden sides. That's good also. So with this box you will get this cable only, and this box and the cable, and this small guide. I think this guide is just some instructions and the Apple logo, nothing else. Yeah, interesting. I will use it, then I will share my experience with you all soon. So torch. So this model has torch. I really like the torch. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.